If Microsoft Edge is showing a too many requests error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through 3 simple fixes that usually solve the problem fast. This error can happen when a website thinks you're sending too many requests too quickly, but it can also be caused by cookies, cached files, or even browser extensions interfering with the page. So if you're seeing this message right now, stay with me and let's fix it step by step. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes, just like this one. It really helps the channel, and it makes sure you don't miss the next tutorial. First, try opening the website in a private window. To do that, open Microsoft Edge, then click the 3 dots in the top right corner. From the menu, choose New InPrivate Window. A private window gives you a fresh browsing session without using your saved cookies and session data. Now go back to the website that was showing the error and try loading it again. In many cases, this is enough to get around the issue because the site is no longer reading the old session information that may be causing the problem. If the website works in InPrivate mode, that usually tells you the issue is related to your browser data or an extension. But if you still see the error, don't worry. The next step is to clear your cookies and cache. This is one of the most effective ways to fix loading errors in Edge. To do that, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard at the same time. That will open the Clear Browsing Data window. Here, make sure you select Cookies and Other Site Data, and also Cached Images and Files. If you want, you can choose the time range as All Time to fully reset the browser data for that site or for your browser session. Once those boxes are selected, click Clear Now. After that, give Edge a moment to remove the stored data, then try reopening the website again. This often fixes the too many requests error because the browser is no longer using old or corrupted site information. If the problem is still happening after that, the next thing to check is your extensions. Some browser extensions can accidentally trigger requests in the background or interfere with how a website loads. To test this, go to the Extensions page in Microsoft Edge. You can do this by clicking the 3 dots, choosing Extensions, and then managing your installed add-ons. Once you're there, turn off all extensions temporarily by toggling them off one by one or switching them off altogether if possible. After disabling the extensions, go back to the website and refresh the page. If the error disappears, then one of your extensions was likely causing the problem. At that point, you can turn the extensions back on one at a time to figure out which one is responsible. This is the easiest way to isolate the issue without uninstalling everything at once. So to quickly recap, if Microsoft Edge says too many requests, first, open the site in a private window. Then clear cookies and cache with Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete. And finally, disable your extensions to see if one of them is causing the error. These 3 fixes solve the issue in many cases and can save you a lot of time troubleshooting. If this tutorial helped you fix the problem, please hit like and subscribe for more Microsoft Edge and Windows troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.